In this tutorial, I want to walk you through starting your very first Zoom meeting. Now, you may have received a Zoom account invitation email. In order to start with Zoom, you'll need to follow this email. So, the blue button in the middle says Activate Your Zoom Account. We click there. We can choose Sign in with Google, choose our account, agree to the terms of service, and we are ready to go. So, if you're a GCDS teacher, you have a couple of different options. You can go to zoom.us, and if you're signed in, you'll see My Account. You'll also notice at the top here, it always says Host a Meeting when you're signed in. You can host a meeting right from this screen and choose with video off or on if you want to do a screen share meeting. For now, we'll do with video off. A pop-up will show up and you choose Open Zoom. When you open Zoom, this will start your meeting. We can join with our computer audio, and you'll see the microphone moving up and down if the audio successfully connected. If you have your video on or off, you can see the video camera with the line tells me that's off. I can mute myself by putting the line through it. A message will pop up showing that I was just muted. I can manage participants by clicking here. I can invite other people to this meeting directly from this screen. I can send them an email. I can do a number of different things from this screen, but let me show you another way that you can start a Zoom meeting. So let's pretend I want an even faster way to do this. Well, if you're a GCDS employee or if you're someone who has installed the Zoom Chrome extension, you'll see a blue rectangle with a white camera up here. And when I hover over it, it says Zoom Scheduler. I can click there. Now, my first time, I'll need to sign in with Google. After I've done that and I click this blue icon, I'm able to schedule a meeting for another time or start a meeting right from this button here. It is very quick. Let's say I want to schedule a meeting. I can click there. I can see the settings for it. But what we love about this extension is if I go to the waffle and go to Google Calendar, it adds a new option for us when we create new events. So let's say I'm going to do a call here. I'll click down here and create my event, but I see a button that says make it a Zoom meeting. Let's go further. We'll go to more options, and I see make it a Zoom meeting over here as well. When I click that, I get all kinds of different options. I can leave everything the same. I will tell you I do like to enable join before host that allows people to join in case you're not the very first person to join in. And I'll click continue. And we've already got our Zoom link ready to go. Now you can just add your guests and hit save. Now, actually, I misspoke. When I created that Zoom link and I invited a guest, Google got a little confused. It tried to create two different links, Google Hangouts Meet, and we created our Zoom. To remove this one, we can press the X, and now that's gone. So, when we're creating a Zoom meeting in Google Calendar, we can use this extension. But when you start inviting people, just remember to remove Google Meet on that area. And then you can hit save. Invite your guests. And now this meeting has all the Zoom details directly in the description. I'm going to give you a third option for starting a Zoom meeting. If you're on a Mac or a PC and you've had at least one Zoom meeting, you probably already have the Zoom application, but you can also just download it online. And when I double click there and sign in with my account, I can start a new meeting right from here. I can choose whether it has video or not. I can schedule a meeting. I can join an existing one. I can use my contacts that I already have in here and add new ones if I'd like.